Left the bank, guys. Once again. Left the bank again. Oh, got some money dropped on the floor. So, y'all, America. Yep, of course. Right there. Yep. And of course. That's what I do. Come on, baby. What's up? What's up, man? Hop on with your boy. It's easy. It's easy, man. You trying to make this like me? Come on, bro. Let's do it.
Hey, what's up, guys? Just showed you this video. You can do it. If I can do it, that was 2 years ago. You can too, okay? Don't be scared. It's just fear. It's just a mental block. Anything you want, you can have. Online entrepreneurship is yours. Don't be scared. Don't let this mental block get in your head. You are great. You are perfect. You are a king. You're a queen. You deserve everything. I love y'all. Peace.